Resetting Windows 11 can be done through two ways: by using the Reset option in the Settings menu, or by using the Windows Recovery environment to reset, useful if Windows cannot boot. Open the Settings tab using the keyboard shortcut Windows button and I, or by simply searching it. Then go to System, Recovery, then Recovery Options. Click on Reset PC. You'll have two options: Keep My Files, which keeps personal files but removes all installed apps, and Remove Everything. Cloud Download will download and reinstall Windows. Local Reinstall will reinstall Windows as it is. You'll have the option to change settings before resetting. Click on Next to move to the last step. You can view which apps that are going to be removed after resetting. Click on Reset to start the process. It might take a while to finish, so keep that in mind. After it's been reset, type your PIN code to log in your user account, and you're done. If you selected Remove Everything earlier, it'll go through the same process, but you'll have to go through out-of-the-box experience again, just like when installing Windows 11 for the first time. If Windows cannot boot, reboot your PC at least 3 times to access the recovery environment. This automatic repair screen will show up. Click on Advanced Options. Click on Troubleshoot, then reset this PC. You'll have the same options as shown earlier. Choose how would you like to reset Windows. Simply click on Reset to start the process. And that's it.